Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with this coreless hair dryer. It has three different blowing powers, or how can I say, and I will try to do kind of a deconstructed bloom type of painting, or how can I say. I will pour this white, hope that I have enough white on the background, blow some blues and golds around and try to create something nice. I don't know, just playing. It's a rainy, cloudy day today here in Slovenia, and I just want to come to studio and play a little bit with my paints. Okie doke. So I will start with this sky blue light, and I have 24K gold. I will add some brilliant blue, and here I will add some pearl white for maybe some lacing or something. Phthalo blue. I need a little bit more for the other one. Prussian blue. Aqua flash, ooh, and again a little bit of pearl white and some black, and hopefully pearl white will help my black to create some lacing cells, something interesting. So let's see. Ooh. Definitely some nice effects, you all. Okay. Wow, love that. And I will do another one here, and then we will tilt this out. I will go, where is my gold? Not a lot of gold, so okay, I will stop right now. I just want to blow a little bit of this over that. I like the effects, but no, there is nothing under this black anymore. So I was hoping to have a little less black, so next time less black. Let me see how. There is a ton of paint in the middle, so I will definitely cover some black, I believe. Let's paint this first. I don't know. I will do what Jessica do with her blooms when she spin them out. She kind of do like that. I don't know if this is the right way. Let's see. One little spin and then we will see where we will go from there. Okay. I definitely want to tilt some of this off. So let's do that. That's why it's called Deconstructed Bloom, because you do a bloom and then you deconstruct. Okay, doke. And now back to the middle. I just don't like that part, so okay, back to the middle. I have to scrape a little bit of white paint from here just to add it on this part that they will flow over nicely, or how can I say? I like that a lot, have to say. One more spin because I need it. I just wish that my middle would be a little more like something, I don't know, I need something. I will grab maybe a skewer and I will try to go with some black line. I don't like this part at all, so I will go through that line, I believe. Yeah, I will leave this one to dry because I love it. I kind of want to tilt a little more to this side. Just to, let's do that. I don't have a lot of paint left anymore to play with, but just want to tilt a little bit of this off. It bothers me. Now I will go back to the middle. And now this is the part that bothers me, you see? Now I need one more spin. Yeah, now I'm done. One more. Yeah, now I'm done. I love this. So here she is dry. I love it. What I did while it was dry, I just painted that black parts that were just black with pearl white to kind of, they stood out just a little too much for my taste. I still have to work on how to blow out to cover that middle or make them more flowing, or how can I say, I love the shimmer and I love this aqua flash because it has, you know, a gorgeous shimmer and color shifty. I love this little lacing here around. There is just enough lacing for my taste, not too much, but just enough to give this painting some interest. And it's just gorgeous. And I will definitely play with that more. When I will do a next one, I will explain a little more about my colors and why I got that lacing, not using the Bloom recipe, just my pouring medium, and why I get the lacing and how to layer the paints and a lot of things. But first of all, I want to share this one with you because I'm really happy with it. So thanks for being here. Of course, tell me what you think about it. Have a nice weekend and see you again on Monday. Bye.